Alright, we own this Maytag microwave. As you can see, there's no display. As you open up the door, there's no light. The microwave will work and then it'll go out. And then after it sits for about an hour and a half, it'll come back on and we'll get two little lights here as if the clock is being reset, and then we're able to use the microwave again. So we think that it's overheating, or there's a thermostat sensor in there that is overheating, and we're going to try to replace that thermostat sensor and see if that fixes the problem. To remove your microwave, you'll come up here and there's two screws up here in the top of the cabinet. You're going to undo that screw, and that screw have somebody support the microwave from underneath, and as you undo those, the microwave will just come right out. Once you have the microwave out of the cupboards, then just go ahead and take off all the screws to remove the cover. Alright, I'm going to show you what I found here. Took the cover off. On this particular Maytag, there is a thermostat that is located right here. And then there's another one up here on the top that's located right here. And then I think there's another one underneath. And what I thought was happening is that thermostat was going out because the microwave would work for a while and then would turn off and the screen would go blank. And then as the microwave sat for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it would go back on again and work just fine. So I figured it was a thermostat or a switch or whatever going in there that was bad, heating up and then not working. So I found this one right here. Come in on it. I found that one right there, and that one is the problem. You can see I've already fixed the wire here, but I just put it back in place so I could show you. So I just removed this little thermostat, and when I pulled it off, let me show you what I found here. Okay, so this is the thermostat that I just pulled out of the microwave. You can see that this connector on this side was all burnt, and this went hooked onto this one over here. And if you look at this connector right here, you'll notice that not only is it burnt compared to the other one, but you can see that it is loose on there and it wiggles back and forth. So that was making a faulty connection, which I assume was causing things to not work properly. As you can tell by the connector, that went bad. So I went down to the appliance parts store, got a new one. I'm going to install that into the microwave just right where the old one was, and hopefully it'll work for us. If you look over here at the microwave, right here, I've already fixed the wire. I put a new pin on there, and then I covered it with a heat shrink. That's what the old one looked like, but it, as you saw, melted and burned. So now we just need to install this new piece like that, and then it'll hook back into place back over here.